Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So what you may want to do first is you're going to want to go into your settings and offload the YouTube app or uninstall it, as it will cause issues when we're trying to open up the YouTube link on Safari. Anyway, what you want to go ahead and do is open up your Safari now and search up YouTube on your Google search engine. Scroll down and open up the YouTube link. Now we have the mobile version, as you can see, but we want to go ahead and use the desktop version. So click on the two eyes in the top left. Now go ahead and request the desktop website. Once that's loaded, scroll in and you can see your profile icon. Click on it and click on YouTube Studio. Now you're pretty much on the home stretch here. Go ahead and scroll down, and as you can see, you'll see recent subscribers. Go ahead and click see all, and you'll see the dates that they have subscribed to your channel. So there you have it guys, that is how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. Unfortunately, there's no other way to actually see your recent subscribers apart from doing it through that. Hopefully they do change that someday. But anyways guys, if you found the video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.